Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. Now, I'm a little bit messy here, y'all, but I have been cleaning. Get rid of one set of holidays so I can move the others out. So, I made it to Aldi's, and I'm just going to show you what I picked up at Aldi's. Aldi's had a pretty good, decent sale going on, but they didn't have a lot of stuff on sale, so I didn't buy a whole lot of stuff. However, I am doing some baby concepts this Easter season. All right, so I picked up the baby second foods. This is Little Journey Organics, apple, banana, blueberry. All right, and these were 87 cents for the pouch, and they do not expire until December of 2025. We got the apple, banana, strawberry, apple, banana, blueberry. These are for the baby baskets. I picked up 6 of these, 87 cents each. I'll stick these over here for now. I also picked up the rice rusk, and these are the gentle teething wafers. They were $1.19 a box. They're 12 individually wrapped in each box. I picked up the banana strawberry and the apple rice husk. All right, going into the baby baskets. All right, Aldi's also have these massage balls. These are Visagi vibrating massage balls. That's what they look like. And they are battery operated. And they're rechargeable. They have 3 massage speeds. The rechargeable battery. They are very lightweight and have a textured surface. All right, so these are, you can turn the vibrate on and roll them on your neck or wherever you're having difficulty at. They only had 2 of those, so I picked up both of them. And they were $2 and some change. Don't have my receipt up here, but $2 and some change. They also had the Crane Premium Athletic Socks. You get 6 pair of socks. $2.49 for 6 pair. That is cheaper than the Dollar Tree. And they're just regular socks, y'all. I picked up the 2 crew necks. And then the anklet. 1 pack of the anklets. These were the only 3 the last 3 they had, so I picked those up. All right, and then they had the loofahs. The loofahs were $2.49 for 3 of them in a pack. Dollar Tree, you would only get 2. I picked up 3 of these. And I wanted to get some colors that I knew I didn't have, so that's why I got these 3 packs. All right, and then that's all I picked up at Aldi's. So remember, if you're out shopping to replenish your store and your supplies and things like that, don't forget to stop at Aldi's and make sure you can find some deals there. They had a lot of items on sale, but nothing else that I was really interested in. They do have robes, but they were not on sale. If they were, it wasn't a good sales price for me, so I left those there. And they're the smaller, I call them tea robes because they're real thin. They're not the big, thick ones that we get at Walgreens. And they had other items there too, but I picked up what I wanted. I wish they had more of the massage balls, but they did not, so I picked up what they had. And don't forget to stop by Aldi's if you have an Aldi's in your area and check those prices out and see if there's things that you can afford to enhance your gift basket business. In the meantime, in between time, go ahead and get those orders in for birthdays and other occasions. Be blessed, but most importantly, y'all, be a blessing.